The rise of unstoppable AI-powered autonomous weaponry is a formidable and disturbing reality in the world of technological advancement. Today, we must face the unflinching reality and the risks brought on by these unrelenting machines. Number 1. The rise of AI-powered autonomous weapons. In this era of unparalleled technological progress, the emergence of AI-powered autonomous weapons marks a significant milestone in warfare. Let us delve into the rapid advancements in this field and the profound implications they entail. AI-powered autonomous weapons represent a paradigm shift in the nature of armed conflicts. These weapons leverage the power of artificial intelligence, employing complex algorithms and machine learning to analyze vast amounts of data, identify targets, and engage in combat operations without direct human intervention. The allure of AI-powered autonomous weapons lies in their potential to enhance military capabilities. They offer advantages such as increased precision, rapid response times, and the ability to operate in challenging environments. However, the development and deployment of these weapons raise significant ethical and humanitarian concerns that demand careful consideration. Number 2. Ethical and humanitarian concerns. The existence of AI-powered autonomous weapons gives rise to a multitude of ethical and humanitarian challenges. Let us explore the profound consequences associated with these powerful machines. One of the primary concerns surrounding AI-powered autonomous weapons is the lack of human oversight and accountability. As decision-making shifts from human operators to AI systems, questions arise regarding the ability of these machines to exercise moral judgment and differentiate between combatants and non-combatants accurately. This raises the risk of indiscriminate targeting and potential violations of international humanitarian laws. Moreover, the deployment of AI-powered autonomous weapons has the potential to escalate conflicts and undermine international stability. The absence of human decision-making in critical situations removes the element of restraint and increases the likelihood of unintended consequences, such as an arms race or the unintentional escalation of violence. Number 3. Challenges of control and accountability. Ensuring control and accountability over AI-powered autonomous weapons presents significant challenges. Let us explore the complexities associated with managing these formidable machines. The development and deployment of AI-powered autonomous weapons demand robust mechanisms for control and accountability. Challenges such as cybersecurity vulnerabilities, potential hacking, and unauthorized use raise concerns about the misuse or exploitation of these weapons by both state and non-state actors. Establishing clear lines of responsibility and accountability is essential to address the potential negative consequences associated with these weapons. Ethical guidelines, international agreements, and legal frameworks must be developed to govern their development, deployment, and use. Such measures aim to ensure adherence to international humanitarian laws and minimize the risks of unintended harm. Number 4. The need for international cooperation and regulation. Given the global implications of AI-powered autonomous weapons, international cooperation and regulation are imperative. Let us examine the importance of collaborative efforts in addressing this pressing issue. The development and deployment of unstoppable AI-powered autonomous weapons necessitate a collective response from the international community. Collaboration among nations, policymakers, and experts is vital to establish norms, protocols, and treaties that govern the development, deployment, and use of these weapons. International cooperation can facilitate meaningful discussions on the limitations, restrictions, and safeguards necessary to ensure the responsible deployment of AI-powered autonomous weapons. Robust regulatory frameworks that emphasize transparency, accountability, and adherence to international humanitarian laws can help mitigate the risks associated with these advanced technologies. As we conclude this thought-provoking exploration into unstoppable AI-powered autonomous weapons, it is crucial to recognize the need for ongoing dialogue, informed decision-making, and responsible innovation. The implications of AI-powered autonomous weapons extend far beyond individual nations, making international cooperation and coordination paramount. International bodies and organizations, such as the United Nations, have a crucial role to play in facilitating discussions and negotiations among nations. Collaborative efforts can lead to the establishment of clear guidelines and protocols that govern the development, deployment, and use of AI-powered autonomous weapons. These guidelines should encompass principles of transparency, human oversight, accountability, and adherence to international humanitarian law. Additionally, technological safeguards can be implemented to ensure control over these weapons. For instance, the development of kill switches or fail-safe mechanisms that enable human intervention in critical situations can help prevent unintended harm and minimize the risks associated with fully autonomous decision-making by AI systems.